What's up guys, I'm Akila. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Morphe haul. I picked up a few goodies from Morphe.com that I wanted to try. I got some lip products, I got their sponge and their setting spray, which will be my first time trying out these products. So if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on the products I picked up, please keep on watching. Okay, I have this big box from Morphe. I'm going to go ahead and do my face using the new products that I picked up so you guys can see how they perform. Morphe has a sponge. It's called the Highlight and Contour Sponge. It comes in this unicorn, and this is what the sponge looks like wet. It's like flat at the top, typical egg shape right here, and it's like, it looks like it's perfect to go under the eyes and to put setting powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my concealer. Okay, let's see how this sponge works. I'm gonna spray it a little bit more with some water. Let's see how it blends. I know a lot of people rave about this sponge and they really like it, but I find that it's a lot harder than I'm accustomed to. Like, it's pretty hard. Like, you can hear it tapping into my face. Like, it's a hard sponge. I don't know, like, I feel like I put enough water in it. Like, I don't know, it's just hard. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know if it's the sponge or I don't know. Like, I feel like under my eyes look very blotchy and patchy. I know the sponge is wet enough because I could feel the water like dripping off of it. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's wet enough. I'm gonna try it again with a different concealer. This is ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in Dark 46, and I'm gonna put a little bit of medium Dark 36 on top of that, and I'm going to try to blend this out one more time with the sponge. Okay, that looks a little better. I'm going to go ahead and set it so it doesn't crease. I guess under my eyes is just gonna look patchy today. We're gonna move right along. What else do I got? Got this set for like $18 that came with the continuous Morphe setting mist and eye primer, and it comes with the sponge as well. I thought that was a really good deal because this is like $15 by itself, so they threw in the sponge and the eyeshadow primer. I don't normally use primer, but I'm gonna use it today. Like, I already primed my lids, so like it's picking up the concealer I had already put down. Oh my god, today's just a mess, honey. Like, a mess. I already knew that was gonna happen. I should have listened to myself. So yeah, learn from me. If you already like primed your lids with concealer and all that stuff, don't even bother putting on primer because it's just gonna look patchy. It does feel very sticky, so I'm pretty sure the eyeshadows are going to cling to it. Let me show you the palette that I got. I got this Morphe 35F Fall Into Frost. Yeah, it's 35 shades, 7 matte and 28 frosty shades. But like, when I seen the palette online, I was just like, this palette looks fall AF. So here it is. When I seen the picture online, I felt like the colors looked a lot more warm than they do in person. So like, when I seen it, I was like, this isn't what I was excited for. I feel like this tutorial is starting off kind of negative, but I love Morphe. It's just I'm not as happy with the choices that I've made, or like I'm just not as happy as I thought I would be. But yeah, this palette has, let me show you, a lot of neutrals and like beautiful crease colors. So this is like a well-rounded palette. You will have a crease color, and then like you could choose from all these sparkly shades to put on your lid. I'm gonna put this shade in my crease first. Oh yeah, I got brushes as well, I forgot. Let me see. I picked up the Morphe E30. It looks normal like a regular blending brush, but then it's like flat. It's like pinched in the center, so it's skinny on one side and then full on the other. And I also got the M321 brush. It's a pretty much like a pencil brush. It's domed at the tip, so like you will be able to pack on color and like lightly blend. So I'm gonna try to use these brushes today as well. For my crease, I'm gonna use my favorite brush. It's the M504 brush. It's a fluffy blending brush. It's very big compared to like a normal blending brush. Like, look how fluffy it is. Yeah, so you get a very diffused color with this. I like this color. I'm gonna use the M321 brush to put that same color on my lower lash line. Oh yeah, I love this brush. It's the brush I always needed. Oh, it's perfect. Like, it goes perfectly on your lash line and it's just perfect. Very precise. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take this color right here and see if that deepens it out a little bit using the Morphe E30 brush. I'm putting that like in the crease fold of my eyelid. Yeah, that deepened it. And I'm gonna just place that color in there, and then I'm going to blend it out so it could be seamless with the other color that I have on my lid. I'm taking the M504 brush from before and blending. I'm gonna take the little bullet brush and add that darker shade to my lower lash line as well. And for my lid, I wanted to try like a more like burnt orange kind of color, so I'm going to use this one right here. To get like maximum coverage, I'm going to be using my fingers to just tap on that color. Oh, that's pigmented. That's a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. It's pretty. I'm going to take the Morphe E30 brush again and like just to blur out the edges. I don't want anything too harsh. I also picked up some liquid eyeshadows, so let me get it. Okay, these liquid eyeshadows are from their new fall collection and it's called Metallic Heat. Here's the cute packaging. It comes with a set of 3 liquid eyeshadows. They have 2 sets. One has more like champagne, silver, and I think a black color, and this one is more like warm. There's a green, a champagne, and this rust color. This red color is called Fuego. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is Fuego. It's very shiny and metallic. This one is called Flare. The last one is called Ignite. Ignite is so freaking pretty. Like, I really wanted to do a green look today, but somehow I ended up doing rusty orange red, but here is the green. It would have went perfect with what I got on today. But yeah, I'm going to use Fuego. I'm going to put it like right on my lid. That is so pretty. I'm going to hurry up and try to blend it out because once it dries, it's not going to move. So pretty, so pretty. So yeah, the camera died and I put some black liner on my lower lash line, and I used this black color right here in the palette to smoke out my lower lash line, and I put on some eyeliner. The last thing I picked up was this trio from their fall collection. It comes with 3 products inside. It has a liner, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. And this is in the trio of After Hours nudes. There's different colors. They are different color combos. And the lip liner that comes in this set is called Honeymoon. It's very creamy, it's very buttery. Like, this color might not be dark enough for me, but I'm going to see what the combo looks like before I go in with my own liner. I got a matte lipstick in Honey. This is what Honey looks like. It's so cute because it has this little M on the lipstick. And this is very buttery as well. And the lip gloss is in the shade Free Bird. Like, the packaging is so cute. The lip gloss is typical. It's a very thin gloss. Like, I'm accustomed to my lip gloss feeling like the Fenty lip gloss, like really thick and like just juicy. But this is good too because it doesn't feel like you have on anything. Okay, for this combo, I feel like it's a bit like muted, so but it's pretty. It's very pretty. I'm going to add a darker liner to it just because that's just what I like. And I'm going to go ahead and spray on their misting spray. I heard so much good things about this spray. I love it. It's like such a fine mist and it's light. You don't feel like, you know, when you're spraying yourself, you feel like you're drowning. It's like so fine. It smells like perfume. Like, I really like it. Wow, this is bomb. Like, this is really nice. Like, I gotta see how it holds up throughout the day, but I don't have anything that sprays like that. Like, I have another, okay, I have this one. This one's by Evian. Look how hard that is. That's so hard. And like, this one is just like fine, just beautiful, just beautiful. I really like that. I think I like that a little too much. Okay guys, I am back and this is my final look. Let's just go over everything. Okay, this lip trio, I really like it. I think I would buy it in another shade. Yeah, it's very pretty, very, very pretty. If you're darker than me, I don't think this lip liner will work for you because it barely worked for me. This misting spray is phenomenal. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day to see if I like it or if I feel like it helped set my makeup even better, and I'll let you guys know on my Instagram. These two brushes that I picked up, I love Morphe's brushes. These are some very good essential brushes to add to my collection. The tools you have, like, it really helps you be a better artist, and these are some good brushes and they're cheap. I'm gonna try to leave the prices on the screen as well. These liquid eyeshadows, I really, really like them. They're typical eyeshadows, but the colors that they have are very pretty, like bomb, and they don't move. They're not gonna go anywhere. So yeah, I like these. What else did I pick up? The sponge, I don't like it. I know I see a lot of gurus and beauty influencers love this sponge, but it feels like I'm punching myself in the face. Like, I love really soft sponges, ones that you could grip and like get into places, but I feel like it's a lot more firm than I'm accustomed to. And this palette is very pretty. The colors are pretty as well. I do see myself getting more use out of it. Did I need this palette? No. I wish I would have picked up another one, like something different, but it is very pretty. It does have a lot of fall shades in it. So yeah guys, that wraps up my video. I got a question for you guys, like I always do. Have you ever shopped on Morphe.com? And if you have, what have you ordered? I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.